Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn a super useful feature, how to set the copper port priority in EasyEDA Pro. When you have multiple copper errors on the same layer, the system needs to know which one should appear on top and which one should be underneath. By setting the right copper port priority, you can avoid issues like overlapping, display glitches, or short circuits caused by conflicting ports. First, open your PCB editing interface. Go to the top menu bar, click on Choose F9, and then choose Copper Manager from the drop-down list. A window will pop up. This is the Copper Manager panel. Here, you'll see a list of the copper ports in your project, including their names, layers, and net names. Now let's see how to adjust the priority. On the left side, and you'll notice some number next to each port. The smaller the number, the higher the priority, meaning it will be rendered on top of the others. If you notice that one copper error is being covered by another, just select it and click the Move Up arrow at the top left. That will bring it higher in the list, and the system will redraw the copper based on this new order. A quick tip, each copper port must have a unique name. If two ports share the same name, EasyEDA might not recognize them correctly when reporting. Once you arrange everything properly, and then click Rebuild, the software will now refresh all ports according to your new priority order. To summarize, copper port priority controls the display and overlap order on the same layer. Smaller numbers mean higher priority appears on top. Each port should have a unique name. Don't forget to rebuild after making changes. By setting the right copper port priority, you'll make your power, ground, and signal plane much cleaner and better organized, which automatically improves your PCB's overall quality and reliability.